Generative AI, where boundaries are shattered and creativity is revolutionized. Generative AI is a field that uses advanced algorithms to create new, original content by analyzing vast amounts of data. It can generate art, music, and even realistic images. Imagine a machine that can paint masterpieces, compose symphonies, or design stunning graphics all on its own. Generative AI has potential to unlock limitless creativity like never before. By learning from existing art and music, it can replicate and remix established styles, giving birth to entirely new pieces that captivate and inspire. Generative AI can collaborate with human creativity, becoming a partner and catalyst for astonishing works of art. It pushes boundaries of what we thought was possible, raising bar for innovation in every domain. Imagine a musician exploring uncharted territories with a generative AI composing tool, transmuting raw ideas into an auditory masterpiece that resonates with soul. Architect leveraging generative AI to create awe-inspiring structures that redefine our urban landscapes. The potential of generative AI is limitless. Its impact can be felt in every aspect of our lives. From transforming marketing campaigns with eye-catching visuals to enhancing medical research with data analysis, it's a driving force propelling us into future. But how does generative AI actually work? This process begins by training the AI model with vast amounts of data. This data provides AI with knowledge of various patterns, styles, and attributes. It learns to understand underlying structure and characteristics of datasets. Once trained, generative AI model can then create new content by analyzing and synthesizing this knowledge. It combines different elements and generates output that mimics the desired style or pattern. For example, it can compose a piece of music in style of Mozart or paint a picture inspired by Van Gogh. But what sets generative AI apart is its ability to go beyond imitation. It can produce completely novel and imaginative creations that haven't been seen before. By extrapolating from its learned knowledge, AI can generate unique content that surprises and dazzles. Generative AI is powered by deep learning algorithms, which consist of neural networks with multiple layers. Networks analyze data, make connections, and generate output based on patterns they've learned. Human supervision is crucial to refine and guide generative process. In realm of art and creativity, generative AI opens up exciting possibilities. This fusion of human creativity and AI's generative capabilities can lead to astonishing results.